left of you is your eyeball. You're probably dead. You're probably going to... Not you, I'm just saying, like, if somebody were to, like, push you into a meat grinder, and, like, one of your finger bones is still intact, they're not gonna pick it up and go, well, it wasn't an instant kill move. You still got, like, this part of your finger left. No, I'm not gonna put you into a meat grinder. I'm not gonna put you into a meat grinder. No, I'm making a reference. You know what I'm saying. Okay, if there's only fucking teeth left, it's fucking, you're dead. You're dead.
I'm gonna take this to the grave though.
You understand what I'm saying though? I'm not actually saying I'm gonna put somebody on a meat grinder. God damn it. Hey, dude, like, it's actually not an instant kill, dude. If I were to put you in a meat grinder. Whoa. I had to use the meat grinder analogy, but it didn't work.
Sorry, I was just talking. I was like, Kurt, I was speaking collectively, like just
Like a thing that happens. I gotta move on. I gotta move on right now. I'm gonna move on right now. So we're gonna continue to play.